Hi guys, today is Friday, March 3rd, and I want to talk to you a little bit about your assignments today. All right, we're going to keep it light on this fun Friday. So you're going to, instead of a phonics video, you're going to listen to a quick phonics song that goes with our spelling pattern for the week. Do a quick head sprout episode. For reading today, there's no mini lesson, but I want you to see if you can read in a different spot at home. If it's a nice day, maybe you can read outside. Try a new spot for reading today. And then if you have not checked out the specialist websites, I included them here. So maybe for this fun Friday, you can try something in STEM, art, PE, technology, or music. Next week is spring break, so we will not have any new lessons. Hope you guys relax, have a wonderful week off, and then we will be back with lessons the following week. Have an awesome day of learning, guys.